I have this AuLink personal cooling fan, and I'm going to show you guys all of the perks that comes along with owning one of these. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I am not going to mess around. I am going to get straight into this, okay? Let's be honest. It is hot. It is very hot.
Yeah, we are going to see just extreme heat, and it's not just for a day or two. I mean, this is going to last all the way through at least the middle of next week. We have heat alerts all across the West, down through Texas too. 87 million people under some sort of heat advisory, watch, or warning.
And we are racing and finding different ways to stay cool. And you guys know that recently I have been showing you guys different fans, just different ways basically to beat the heat. And I have a new way to beat the heat. So the AuLink air cooler fan comes with simple to read instructions, a USB port, aromatherapy sheet, and of course this cute little bad boy. Here it has the 3 levels of the fan speed. Here is the 3 levels of the mist. These are the changing LED lights, so you can have those in different colors like red and yellow and orange. And here you can actually set your timer on your fan for how long you want it to go. So in these 5 ports here is where the mist is going to come out. What I love so much is the size of this fan here. The aromatherapy sheet goes in the front and you just lock it into place like so. It is important that you keep this on a flat surface so that you don't spill anything out. The reservoir is here at the top, and this is where you are going to fill it with water. Guys, I love this product so much, and if you guys are interested in trying out this product for yourself, I will have all the information down below in the description box for you guys. And thank you so much for watching this product review video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye. This is a great investment.